Previously, networks were small and only required limited security measures. As this IIoT trend connects more devices to the internet, operators must consider network vulnerabilities. An ICS CERT report showed that security incidents are increasing, especially in the critical manufacturing sector, which had 33% of the total in 2015. Security has become such a concern that some businesses are hesitant about embracing the IIoT. Let's look at some potential network security vulnerabilities. First, a lack of account management would mean that unauthorized personnel can alter network settings and disrupt your network. Second, if your network is not properly encrypted, anyone wishing to attack the network could easily change settings or take control of this network. We suggest upgrading device security with account management, authentication, and notification features, and most importantly, compliance with the IEC 62443-4-2 security standard. Our second tip is to visualize your network security status. Moxa's MXview network management software includes a security view feature that has the built-in standard setup function to set your security level. Or you can use the user-defined profile function to configure your own security settings that meet your specific requirements. For large networks, using the simple three-step wizard in Moxa's MXconfig can help eliminate human error in batch configuration and save time and costs. Now's the time to upgrade your network security. Using devices with enhanced security functions allows you to protect your data and your network. Using industrial network management software gives you a clear view of your security status and helps simplify security settings if you have many devices on that network. Moxa's Ethernet switches, gateways, and serial device servers are all equipped with enhanced security functions that protect against intrusions and attacks, protect sensitive data, and provide audits of security events. Ramp up your network security. Moxa offers a security solution that increases your network security on the device level and across the entire network. To get more information on Moxa's security solutions, check out our latest security white paper and the website.